Okay, so you're researching the US Bank Secured Credit Card. Duane here with How to Build Credit TV, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about the US Bank Secured Credit Card. But before we get started, I have a quick... Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV. This channel offers 100% free information about how to build credit, how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. We also talk about everything you need to know regarding credit, whether you're looking to establish credit, build credit, rebuild credit, or learn more about the Fico Score and how it is comprised so you can increase your credit score. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. As a matter of fact, subscribing to our channel right now will help us grow faster, which will allow us to, number one, get this information out to more people, number two, monetize our channel, and number three, make it a lot easier to continue to upload videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. All right, now that we have all of that out the way, let's talk about the US Bank Secured Credit Card. There are a lot of secured credit cards out there, but I think this one is one of the better cards that you can have, the US Bank Secured Credit Card. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump on my laptop and we're gonna have a look at the website so we can go over a little bit more of the information in regards to the US Bank Secured Credit Card. Give me 1 second and I'm gonna jump on my laptop. I'll see you on the laptop. Okay, so we're at the website for the US Bank Secured Credit Card, and as you can see it says, establish your credit and reap the benefits. Get worldwide purchasing power and flexibility as you work to build or re-establish your credit history. So this site, it's pretty simple. I mean, there's not a lot going on here. It talks about the benefits of the US Bank Secured Credit Card. It talks about having zero fraud liability, which means you're not responsible for unauthorized transactions if your US Bank Secured Card is ever lost or stolen. It talks about fraud protection. It detects and notifies you when any unusual card activity to help prevent fraud, of course. And it talks about auto rental insurance. It's yours automatically at no costs. That's what it says right there. When you charge your entire car rental on your US Bank Secured Visa card and decline the rental company's collision damage waiver option. Coverage on a 24-hour basis for damage due to collision or theft. That is pretty cool though, because when I rent cars, I'm like, man, do I really need the insurance? You know, and I'm always living on the wild side. I'm always like, nah, I don't need it. So that's kind of cool that they provide auto rental insurance just for using this card, which is really good, the US Bank Secured Credit Card. And it's a secured credit card, so that's a pretty good benefit. It has online banking. Of course, there's automatic bill pay, and it talks about Flex Control. US Bank offers this online tool to help you avoid interest and late fees with automatic payments that you can put in control. That put you in control. It also helps you pay down a balance faster. Learn more at the US blah, 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 so on and so forth. Okay, so right here it says how secured credit cards works. It talks about how you can fund your US Bank Secured Credit Card. And it says funding online using your checking or savings account, which means you do not have to have a bank account with US Bank to get this credit card. You can just have your regular bank account and you just transfer the money from your bank account to theirs, or not to theirs, but to open a savings account basically. You can apply by mail. I don't know why anybody would want to do that, but you can. And you just have to submit a cashier's check or a money order. It says, if your application is approved, we'll send you a credit card send your credit card with a credit line, the same amount as your deposit. It talks a little bit about the fact that you can earn interest. It says the US Bank Secured Savings Account is FDIC insured, earns interest, and won't be touched as long as your account remains open and in good standings. So I'm not sure about the interest part. I did contact customer service to ask how the interest earning works or what the percentage was, and they weren't able to give me a direct answer. It was a very weird setup. Like if you don't make your entire, if you don't pay your entire statement when it's due, like let's say you have $200 on the account and you pay $20, then you would earn interest based on the $180 that you had left over. but you're not really earning interest the way that the customer rep explained it to me, because when the next bill comes out, you're going to be charged interest because you had the balance of $180 sitting there. And then, so whatever interest that you supposedly earned, you're going to have to pay that because you let the balance sit on the card. And the interest that they charge for letting a balance be on the card is actually like 20.49%. We'll look at that in just one second. So anyway, it says payments are not automatically deducted from your secured savings account. You're responsible for making at least your minimum payment by the monthly due date. Let's take a look real quick at the terms and conditions, just so you guys can see this for yourself here real quick. All right, so right here, of course, it says annual percentage rate. It says U.S. Bank secured Visa card, 20.49%. That's not bad compared to some other secured credit cards out there. And then, of course, this part's very important that I definitely want to make sure I talk about: the annual fee. There is an annual fee with the U.S. Bank secured credit card, and that is $29. So there are secured credit cards that are free, free as in no annual fee. There are several of them. There's Citibank, there's Discover Card. Those two I actually have at the moment. So it talks about late fees and so on and so forth. You guys can read over that. But that's pretty much it for the U.S. Bank secured credit card. It's not too bad of a card. If you're interested in getting the card, I would get the card because you can upgrade. After a year, you can upgrade to another one of their credit cards. And the bad news is you have to close your secured card account and open a brand new account. But they have pretty decent cards like the U.S. Bank Cash Plus. That's not a bad card at all, and you can earn up to 5% on that particular card. I pulled up here. You can see it. You could go to their website and see if you qualify, if you're pre-qualified for a credit card, which is always good. But this is the card I was talking about, the cashback card, the U.S. Bank Cash Plus. I'm gonna do a review on this one as well, but this one's not too bad. You can earn 5% on certain categories that you select, which is really cool. And then of course you can get $150 cash back after making $500 of purchases in your first 90 days. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in just 1 second. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Once again, our channel talks about everything you need to know about credit. Whether you're looking to establish credit, build credit, rebuild credit, or learn more about the Fico Score and how it is comprised so you can increase your credit score. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks again for watching the channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. I'll answer it as soon as I see it. If you like this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to share this video with somebody that you think may find helpful, please feel free to do so. Once again, thank you for watching. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.